How to disable the microphone on Android. This tutorial shows you how to turn off mic access for specific apps or cut it off entirely from your device. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. After that, tap on Apps to open the App Management section. From there, tap the three dots at the top right corner and select Permission Manager. At this point, tap on Microphone to see a list of all the apps that currently have access to your mic. In the next step, find the app you want to revoke microphone access from and tap on it. Following this, select Don't Allow to completely cut off that app's access to your microphone. Once done, repeat the same process for any other apps you want to restrict. From here, if you want to go a step further and cut off microphone access for your entire system at once, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Panel. At this stage, swipe down again to fully expand it and look for the Microphone Access button. Finally, tap on it to turn it off, and this will deny microphone access to every single app on your device at the system level until you turn it back on again. And that's it. If this guide helped you disable the microphone on your Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.